Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color this baby drinking bottle. Let's start at the top and draw the cap first. First we draw the square screw cap. Then we'll draw the attached, pacifier-like teat. Next we draw the glass bottle. We start with the outer shape. The left and right outer walls of the bottle are wider. The bottle becomes slightly narrower towards the middle. And the bottle is a little wider again at the base. Then we draw the base. Then we draw the thick glass of the bottle. We draw the outer shape of the bottle a second time. Next we draw the measuring mark on the bottle. The measuring mark consists of short and long lines arranged one above the other on the bottle. Now we draw the drinking liquid into the bottle. Finally we draw a corrugation into the top of the screw cap. The drinking bottle is finished, now we can start coloring. The part of the video where I color is much faster. I painted the pacifier-like suction device in the color orange. And I colored the glass of the bottle in the dark blue. The drinking liquid was painted in a slightly lighter blue. And the glass in the middle of the bottle was painted a very light blue. I painted the screw cap in darker and lighter blue. And finally I used yellow to create some contrasts and painted the measurement area in orange. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.